Learn where to find your Dell Service Tag and how to use it on the Dell website. The Dell Service Tag is a 7-character code which identifies your product. It's the best ID to use when communicating with Dell when you need technical support. Most Dell products have service tags, but there are some accessories and peripherals that do not. As a general rule, desktops, laptops, tablets, monitors, servers, storage devices, and printers will have a service tag. There's also an express service code, which is an all-numeric version of the same code. Please note that your Dell Service Tag is linked to your account, and you should never post it publicly on any website or social media platform. For additional information about your service tag and other important Dell resources, click the link shown to be taken directly to the Dell support website. On laptops, the sticker containing your service tag is located on the bottom. For some XPS and Precision models, the service tag is located underneath the system's badge. On desktop computers, the service tag is located on the back of the tower. There is also a black sticker with white letters on the top of the tower with the service tag and express service code. On monitors and all-in-one computers, the service tag sticker is located on the back of the device. Depending on your Dell tablet model, the service tag sticker can be on the back panel or the bezel. The service tag sticker on Dell printers can be found on the back of the printer. For all-in-one printers, the sticker can also be found under the scanner. For Dell servers, the service tag sticker is accessed by pulling out the information tag in front of the system. Once you've located it, use it to tap into a wealth of information about your Dell product. To get information about your system with your service tag, go to dell.com/support. Type your service tag into the search bar under Identify Your Product. After you've identified your device, you'll have access to your system's information, warranty status, support history, system drivers, manuals, and much more. Whenever you need help or have any questions, you can always reach out to us through social media for assistance. We also have the Dell Community Forum where you can join in a chat or start your own post. Subscribe to our channel to get access to all our support videos, and thanks for watching.